This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathleen DuPont. Rare to find this 2-bed, 2-bath single-level condo in luxurious resort-style living in Las Palmas. Living room has access to the lanai, which has sliding impact doors and a view overlooking a pond with relaxing sound of a fountain and wildlife to watch while having your morning coffee. Or enjoy a midday grilled cheese sandwich on an electric grill. Primary bedroom has walk-in closet, and an ensuite bath with soaking tub. Second bedroom is light and bright with the same view as lanai through the large impact windows also. Kitchen has granite counter and is adjoined to a dining area. Las Palmas has welcoming amenities of 2 heated pools, a fitness center, tennis courts, and a clubhouse with billiards and an outdoor kitchen with electric grills. Then we have location. Location. Just a short distance is Benderson Park, the 600-acre with a picturesque lake, and world-class rowing competitions. Also, the famous UTC MALL is so close for lots of shopping and dining. Now the bonus. This condo comes with a private oversized garage just a short walk across the parking lot, for your vehicle, bikes, golf clubs, and beach gear. Don't miss this rare find at Las Palmas. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen DuPont at 941-350-4995.